Hello friends, welcome back to my channel RinkuArt. This is Rajesh. So today's topic is how to draw bird. So bird means I can take any bird, but today I am planning to draw parrot. So for that I need some reference.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel RinkuArt.
For reference, Google is the best place to go for, and here I have opened some references of parrot, the realistic one. To draw cartoon parrot, we need to observe the real parrot, and then we can exaggerate and do some changes to make it cartoon. So I am observing how the head of the parrot looks like, and then the body also. But first I am observing the head, because head is the primary part of a character, and I am just visualizing how to make it little cartoony. So I can change the eyes and the beak, this mouth area. So for that I need some more reference. So you need some references for your character, and you have to practice and do some R&D with that reference. Okay. And after observing this, you can draw your cartoon character, what is there in your mind or what is coming into your mind while watching these references. See, this one is very nice. And you can see the behavior, and if you are drawing a bird character, then you need to see how they are opening their wings. That is also very important. See, here some hairs are also there, so I can do some hairstyles to my character. I am looking some images of parrot flying, because how they are opening their wings and how it is attached to the body, that also I need to observe. So after observing, you need to draw your imagination on canvas, and for that you need to open your sketchbook, and here I will draw some sketches. So here are some rough sketches I have drawn for my character parrot. I am little confident about the character, but now I need to add the body with this character, with this face. So I'll hide this and I'll try to draw my character here. So I'm thinking the position how to draw, but let me draw first the head. So here I have completed my parrot character, but after looking this character I am feeling like some issues are there which I need to rectify now. So here if I'll closely observe, the fingers is missing, which I am going to include here like this, and few more lines are visible which I need to erase it. For the sake of this video I will not do the cleanup, or else it will take more time to complete this character. This is the rough one and you can clearly see this character. I'll do the coloring on this only, but in your case if you are designing a character, don't skip the step of detailing and cleanup. You need to do the cleanup first, then you need to do the coloring. So roughly I'll do the cleanup. In cleanup you need to draw a single line and it will look nice. So there are few lines visible. I need to rectify all the rough lines. I need to add some fur, or you can say the hairs over here. The extra lines I'll erase and I'll color this character. So here finally my character is ready. I didn't do the cleanup yet, but I'll do the cleanup later on and do the coloring as well. Please let me know how's this character and please comment me below so I'll get the motivation to draw more character designing on animals or birds. So if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon to get the notification first. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. So that's it for now. Take care and bye bye.